Hi, now we are demonstrating the TruckMake model 152 surface resistivity meter. This is the TruckMake 152 surface resistivity meter with a LCD display. This will work in built-in 9-volt battery. Also, this will work in external 9-volt adapter also. The external circuit is there. This is the accessories. This is the point-to-point probe with connecting wires. This is called mini probe for measuring the small surface of the material, surface resistivity. This is the concentric ring probe to measure the surface resistivity, ohms per square, and the external adapter, DC adapter. This is the SS footplate for measuring the volumetric resistance. Now we are checking point-to-point resistance of the static shielding back by using the point-to-point probe. This is 5-pound electrodes with conductive rubber based electrodes as per US standard. Now we are checking the point-to-point surface resistance of the TSS bag. We are checking at 100 volt range. We are getting 1.9 into 10 power 9 ohms. This is point-to-point surface resistance. And if you want to measure the surface resistivity, switch off. We are using the concentric ring probe to measure the surface resistivity of the material. We are selecting 100 volt. This is surface resistivity 1.6 into 10 power 10 ohms per square. Now if you want to measure the small surface, now one more probe is there, that is called mini probe. This is mini probe. We can measure the surface resistivity of small area. Now we are going to measure the surface resistivity of the conductive brush. This is having 3 leads, red, green and black. 2 points are there in the mini probe conduct area. Switch on the instrument. Okay, since this is the conductive material, we are checking at 100 volt range. I have to place that mini probe on the surface. We are getting 6.5 into 10 power 4 ohms. Switch off. Next we are going to test the volume resistance of that bag. We have to place this material on the stainless steel plate. One probe pick up on the material. Foot plate will be connected to meter, SS plate. We are selecting 100 volt. This is volumetric resistance measurement. we are getting 3.6 into 10 power 9 ohms. These instruments will work both 9 volt built-in battery as well as that external adapter also available. If you insert this external adapter, that internal battery will get disconnected automatically and it will work in the adapter voltage. Thank you.